In this video, I will show you how to copy editing style from another video and automatically sync them to your music. Inside Premiere Pro, I already imported the video that I used on this project and arranged the folder. For reference, I used to Imagine Dragon Believer song and selection that are the copy. Now select the in and out point. Now I'm going to drag that video into the timeline. Now I'm going to make a big expanded timeline area so I can see the audio wave as well as mark point. Now right click the footage and click scene detection, and now select create clip mark and hit analyze it. Here you see we got cut mark point. Now move the playhead to mark point and press the M key on the timeline. For jump to the next mark point, press Shift M. This shortcut helps faster your work. Add some position and manually mark point add here because music beat so hard. After now I go to the bin folder, then going to click on each one and creating in and out points. That endpoint is going to where the clip starts as for the timeline. Now log the main footage clip, then take the playhead to the very beginning of the timeline. Select all clips and click here to automate sequence or go menu clips automatic sequence. Once this table came up, here is where to make these changes under the order. I'll use short order. Next, under placement, just select unnumbered mark method. Should be overwritten edit at the end. I ignore the audio and press OK. Now you find some black area here. When this black area appears, your clips in and out point do not match the mark point. So I fill the remaining space manually. And finally, make select all clips and set it frame size. Let's check the final result.
First things first, I'ma say all the words.
Click the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.